Alright, so in this specific video, we're going to talk about how to create segments. To create a segment, what you need to do is simply click on Segment Visitors. And generally speaking, it's better to create your segments first, and then of course create your campaigns. Because when you create a campaign, you basically can choose your segments that you have created. So some campaigns can include similar segments. So creating a segment is really easy to do. You can just enter the name of the segment. We'll call this, let's say for example, pre-sale page. And you have two different types of segments when it comes to adroll.com. You have the URL where you can enter the URL, the subfolder or the file right here. Or you can enter or upload the emails. So if you choose this, you can upload a CSV file with customer email addresses. Now in this case, we're going to enter the URL. Now, obviously, if you want to create a segment for all of your pages, then you would put a slash, because whatever domain name that you entered into your profile, it'll be that. So yourdomain.com, and then you would put a slash, and then of course you can put whatever characters. So for example, if I wanted to create a segment for all pages that were thank you pages, I could put thank you and then a wildcard, a asterisk, and the asterisk is a wildcard, which means anything after the word thank you, whether it's thank you some number or anything like that, it would basically create a segment for that folder. So if I were to, let's say for example, I would create a segment for a specific page, I could put name.html. And then of course, for the duration of days, we're going to do 30 days. You can do it less if you'd like to. You can count this as a conversion if this is, for example, your sales page where you're selling a product. So this might be good for specifically for back-end customers when you were targeting them. Or of course, if you're trying to create a segment just for your front page. In this case, I'm going to click on save and we're good to go. Now, of course, you can create other segments as well. Remember, the more specific, the better. And if you have any questions about, how to use AdRoll in specifics, you can always click on the question mark, and they have a large library of helpful videos and helpful information. All right, so now that we've created a segment, that's really easy to do. We're going to create a campaign in the next video.